In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Clockify. By the end, you'll be able to start and stop a timer directly from a Trello card and have all your time entries automatically saved to Clockify, keeping your tasks and tracking perfectly in sync. First, we'll set up the Clockify Chrome extension. In your Chrome browser, search for the Clockify Time Tracker extension in the Chrome Web Store. Open the listing and click Add to Chrome. Confirm any prompts so the extension can connect with sites you use for work. Once it's installed, a quick tip is to pin the extension to your toolbar so it's easy to find. Now log into your Clockify account. If the extension opens a tab, sign in there. If not, you can open Clockify. Me and log in from the site. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace you plan to use for Trello time tracking, so entries land exactly where you expect. Next, open Trello in Chrome. Navigate to any board and click into a card. Within the card view, you'll now see a small Clockify timer button added by the extension. Its placement may vary slightly depending on Trello's layout, but it typically appears near the card details. If you don't see the button right away, refresh the page, confirm that the Clockify extension is enabled for Trello.com, and check that you're signed into Clockify in the same browser profile you're using for Trello. Now you're ready to track time inside Trello. Open the card you want to work on and click Start Timer on the Clockify button. The timer begins counting immediately, and the time entry will use the Trello card title, so it's easy to recognize later. Focus on your task as usual. When you're finished, return to the same card and click Stop. That's it. The time entry is automatically saved in your Clockify account, including the duration and the exact start and stop times. You can review or adjust details later in Clockify if you need to clean up descriptions or add context. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep Trello and Clockify open in the same browser session to avoid any sign-in conflicts, and refresh Trello after installing new extensions so the button appears immediately. If multiple cards are open, always stop the timer on the specific card you started it from to keep your records tidy. You've now integrated Trello with Clockify using the Chrome extension and tracked your first task without leaving the card. Start the timer when you begin, stop it when you wrap up, and let Clockify handle the rest.